back to another video. We're going to be practicing fly fishing without a fly. Yeah, I know. I need to get a leader and whatnot. So yeah. So this is way different from bait caster and open face reel and all the others. Completely different. It's way different. Everything's different. Of course, all the reels are different, but of course, you know, that's just other reels. This one is nothing like that. You put out some string, like maybe about as tall as I am, maybe a little taller. So, and then what you're going to do is you're going to hold some string. You're going to let the pole go loose. What you're going to do is you're going to put your hand closer, like to the reel, and you're going to whip it. Okay? So let's try that again. Let some string out of the reel. Whip it. And the reason is why you leave string out of the reel like so. It is so that it's like the measurement of how you want the string, how you want the lure to go far. So you guys are going to do this a little bit, especially if it's your first time fly fishing. So if you hear a snap, that is totally okay. So keep on flipping it, and flipping it. Hopefully you'll catch a fish. So try that one more time. Now you don't always have to hear that crack noise like this. So that's practically it. So next video. Sorry guys, I have a cold. I'm trying to hold it in. Next video, we're actually going to go fly fishing. So yeah. If I am not doing this right, then you guys should go to different videos. You cannot comment down below. Don't know why. My doggone pole just broke off. So yeah, it's practically like a fishing pole. But you just so yeah. Every time when you let go, put the string out of the pole like this, and then you cast it. That actually makes the lure go farther. Now, that's what we want, right? It actually does too depend on if your arm hurts. Believe me, guys, when you whip your fly fishing pole like so, it's gonna, your wrist is gonna be red. Like right here by my bracelet is gonna be red, guys. So make sure that there is at least nobody between 25 feet of you. Because, you know, if you're doing this really, like, far, let's say, so I'm going to go a little bit farther, and you're a person right now, okay? Let's just pretend that you are a person right now, okay? So I'm just going to keep on walking this way. I don't know if you can see me, but would be much better if you would stay at least 100 feet away from the other person that you are actually fly fishing with. Because if you mess up this somehow, well then I don't know what to say. So yeah. Fly fishing pole's messed up. Hold on, guys. Okay, so yeah, it's very confusing. Alright, so I just got my fly fishing pole just now fixed. I'm going to go ahead and reel it in. I'm going to stop the video in just a couple of minutes. So it's really not that hard to put the string of the fly fishing pole through the holes. It's just like you're restringing a bait caster and whatnot, so it's really not that hard. It's way easier, so you guys should be able to get used to having to put the spit McGeehees through the other spit McGeehees, and I have no idea what I just said, so yeah. Make sure that you're at least 100 feet away from somebody or some tree or something, because if you whip this near a big old tree and your lure gets stuck up there, you'll have to cut your string down. Trust me, I've never been fly fishing before, but I learned how to fly fish not that long ago. If you're looking for a video to fly fish, I think this would be it. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. So yeah, I'm not the best YouTuber, so I think everyone should be okay with that. Not everyone's the best YouTuber, but you know. If you guys know World's Worst Fishing, you guys better go to him, select subscribe, and turn on post notifications for him. So he remelts lures, he makes lures, he does orders and whatnot. It's rubber lures. So make sure that you guys go ahead and go to World's Worst Fishing, and that should be it. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I actually do so hope that you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and I will actually see you guys later. Bye.